We're here at the Apple event and we're taking our first look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has a new titanium design, a more powerful A17 Pro processor, and the first 5x telephoto zoom on an iPhone. Let's go take a look. So one of the things you'll notice about the iPhone 15 Pro Max design is that it has the thinnest borders ever on an iPhone. So like the bezels are not quite gone, but they're almost gone. And then the other thing that's cool is that because this is a titanium design, you can see that sort of has like the brush finish on the side. This feels lighter in your pocket despite having the same 6.7-inch display as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And down below, you have this new USB-C port, which is not just for charging, you can also transfer data up to 10 gigabits per second, which is good for transferring 48 megapixel raw photos, let's say to a Mac or to an external storage drive. All right, so one of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max features is this periscope zoom lens. They're calling it a Tetra Prism, and the idea is that you get, this is macro lens right here, this is ultra wide, then the 3 standard lenses, then you start to get into your 3x zoom, and then this is a 5x zoom right here. So you can get in really close, and it's pretty amazing just how far away we are at the start. And now with 5x, Apple is getting closer to the competition, especially the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Another feature that's new for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 15 Pro is that you have more control over the depth and focus. So you can decide with a tap what you want to focus on in the image. So now you can see the object that was in the foreground is now in focus, or you could do the face in this case, and you can all do this after the fact. The ringer switch is gone. It's replaced with this action button right here. And within settings, you can decide what you want to do with the action button. So silent mode is there by default, but you can do focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, or magnifier. So if I go into camera and then I go back out to the main screen, and let's say I'm in another app and I see there's a great photo opportunity, I just long press this button and I go directly into that app. And if I want to, I can also press the action button once more to take a photo. So what about performance? The iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pro both have the new A17 Pro chip, and it has a new 6-core GPU built in. And it has ray tracing technology that's integrated into the chip, which is a first for the iPhone, and they're saying it gives you console quality graphics. And you can see that the lighting effects are very sophisticated, and this game is available now, but the ray tracing effects will be coming later. But you can see that, like with this lighting over here, the ripples in the water, this is definitely like among the best graphics that we've seen on a mobile device. So overall, I do think that this could be the best iPhone ever, but we'll have to see how it does in our testing. Be sure to follow all of our Apple coverage at Tom's Guide on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour.